2004 Avalanche Chevrolet. Currently, we are locked out, and I'm gonna have to change that. We're gonna have to get the keys inside and make sure we got it to work. So what I'm gonna do is try to find any pins that are stuck on me, like number 6, and picking up. Now I got it to be bouncy. That's a good thing. Same thing for number 8. I think I did a little too much. 10 has nothing. I'm gonna go to 9. There's 7. It's a little bouncy, but I'm gonna leave it. 5 is completely dead, so I'm gonna pick it. There's that. Now that's bouncy. And 3, I gotta do the same thing. Nope. Now we're gonna repeat that whole process. Find which one is it. There's that. There's that. And there you go. Bam. Now, what's this? We're open. Look at that.